Up, Homo Ninjas. Today we're playing, or I don't know, playing Let's Play. Who? Someone's in. This is my Let's Play. Pickaxe. Today, I think I'm gonna go mining. I don't know what will I mine. Main. Heh. I suck at mining. And here, I'll go in here. Furnace, baby. Yeah. I think I'll go in here. 2, 3. I wish to find some, I don't know, golds, diamonds, baby. Oh, look, my arch enemy, Gravilo de, I don't know, Escajino. Sorry for those, Spanish geeks. I mean, Spanish, I don't know. I'll end this shaft in here. La. How about let's find gold. Let's go deeper. I'm not deeper, I am deeper. Going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. I am ugly, not funny. I am deeper. Oh. Wait. Deeper. I am deeper than the sea. If you're deeper and higher and deeper, not deeper. What the? Ay, kiramba. La. And we'll be mining ores. Ta. And we'll be mining ores. For